Allow yourself now to just rest for a few moments. Give yourself permission to just be still, to be quiet, to settle into that place of peace deep within for just a few moments. And as you rest in that delightful place of peace and serenity, consider this reflection on nature. It begins with a quote. Quote, "Every now and again, take a good look at something not made by hands. A mountain, a star, the turn of a stream. There will come to you wisdom and patience and solace. And above all, the assurance that you are not alone in the world." End quote. Nature is our greatest teacher. Years ago, an old American Indian medicine man said to me, "When you are ready, come to me. I will take you into nature. And there, you can learn everything you need to know." We need time with things not made by hands. Regardless of who or where we are, nature in some form is accessible to us. We may only have a plant in our living room, or the glimpse of a winter sky, or a lone tree in stark silhouette against the skyline, and nature is always there. We are the ones who go away. Nature never goes away. In the quiet stillness, affirm for yourself, nature returns me to the part of myself that can never get lost. Let your attention now rest gently on your breathing. Notice how your body expands and contracts, how the air moves through your nostrils. Imagine now that as you breathe, you are breathing an awareness of the room around you into your body. You might tell yourself that on a certain breath, maybe your third or fourth breath, you'll be completely awake, aware, alert, alive, feeling refreshed, relaxed, revitalized, ready for the rest of your day and still firmly connected to that place of peace within. Namaste.